I think more than 50% new students are there. I think so many students are new students, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That's why
Yes,
given revised schedule. Now started original schedule.
Sir, but very few students came, sir. In last class, nearby 96 were there. 96 students.
96, okay. They will join. I think actually your strength is 65, na? Maximum 65 or 70. But
So now
some students are added.
90
I think some students are added. Minimum 50 to 60 members are added.
Yes, sir.
That's why they are giving new schedule. No problem. There is no doubt at all. I will explain starting onwards. Yes or no? There is no problem at all. Yes.
That means that yesterday's which schedule the principal sir gave.
Yeah. That is the final schedule. Yes. That is the final schedule.
Okay, sir.
What about this week exam, sir?
This week exam. This week now they will give portion. Wait now. Same portion. So today we will discuss. Okay, na? How many members are there total? 95 or 100?
102 members are there, sir.
Okay. I think, listen, most of the students are new students. That's why we started concept today. If you have any doubt, you will ask through a phone. I will explain only this week because Friday onwards my health also not good now. Yes. So today I'm okay. Fine. So please cooperate with me, right? I will explain slowly. I will starting with the basics. Yes, sir. Sai Anish. Anish, mute yourself, Anish. Arun Kumar, mute yourself. Pretam Reddy, everybody mute yourself. Yeah, 85 members. Shall I start now? Are you ready, the boys? Boys, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ready now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They will join slowly. Now I will start. But some students are missing once again, right? That is a problem. So this week onwards, original started. Yes, original schedule is started now. That's why no problem. Yes. Shall I start with the basics now?
Yes, sir. Start, sir.
Are you ready now? Yes, boys.
Ready,
Yes,
sir.
Can you see this board now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Array, first listening is required. First two, I think 3-4 points already you know. Yes or no. Then after I will explain. Right? Side heading. Yes, basic concepts of chemistry. And basic concepts of chemistry. Yes. Nana, please mute yourself. Who is that fellow? Please, Nana, otherwise you are missing some topics, Nana. Yes. Right, basic concepts of chemistry. Okay, are you ready now, boys? Boys, ready now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ever ready, sir?
Yeah. Right. Okay. Right. According to Dalton's theory, already you know this point. And according to Dalton's theory, atoms are indivisible particles. Atoms are indivisible particles. I hope it is clear now. Yes, indivisible particles. They are not divisible. Yes or no? Further dissociation not possible. Yes. According to Dalton's theory, atoms are indivisible particles. Okay, the first point. And next point, be careful. And elements are made up of smallest particles. These particles are simply called as atoms. Next point. Elements are made up of Elements are made up of smallest particles. Smallest particles is called atoms. These particles are called atoms. These particles are called atoms. Already know this information. Elements are made up of smallest particles. These particles are called atoms. Yes, next point. What are fundamental particles? Which were the fundamental particles? Anybody? Electrons,
Protons, neutrons,
protons, and neutrons are called fundamental particles. Next point. Electrons, comma, protons, comma, electrons, comma, protons, comma, and neutrons are called fundamental particles. Fundamental particles.
Sir.
Electrons, protons, neutrons are called fundamental particles. Are called fundamental particles. Are got it, boys?
Yes, sir.
Every atom contains fundamental particles except one atom. Which one? Hydrogen. Yes or no? H11, protium. Yes, you know very well. Next point. One more time is required. Electrons, protons, and neutrons are called fundamental particles. Yes or no? And next point. Every atom contains fundamental particles except protium. What is the protium structure? Anybody? Yes, protium. Yes, H11.
H1.
Because they contain electrons and protons. But number of neutrons, yes, atomic weight minus atomic number. No? 1 minus 1, 0. No? Yes, I hope it is clear now. Yes, one more time. Right, now one more time. Every atom contains fundamental particles. Every atom contains fundamental particles except protium. What is the protium? Yes, H11. You will take this information as it is. Because number of neutrons is 0. Number of electrons 1. They contain number of electrons is equal to 1. Number of protons also 1. But they contain number of neutrons 0. 1 minus 1, 0 now. They contain electrons and protons.
Yes,
but number of neutrons is a 0. Yes. Array, what I am saying right now, be careful everyone. Every atom contain fundamental particles except protium. Because they contain number of neutrons is equal to 0. 1 minus 1, 0 now. I will explain how to calculate number of neutrons. Got it, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Next point, be careful everyone. Yes. Next point, be careful. Right. Every atom having nucleus as well as, suppose this is the atom. Be careful everyone. I will take it. This is the atom. Yes. Every atom having nucleus as well as it should be present at the center of the atom. This is simply called as a nucleus. Yes. Nucleus. Yes or no? Be careful. Next point. Next point. Every atom having nucleus. Every atom having nucleus as well as it is a present at the center. As well as it is a present at the center. It is a nucleus. Yes or no? Be careful. It is the present at the center. You will take this diagram. Yes.
Sir, this is, sir.
Every atom having nucleus. Yes, nucleus. Suppose I will take this is the atom. Suppose this is the atom. They contain nucleus. Nucleus means red color. You will take red color now. This is the nucleus. Every atom having nucleus as well as it should be present at the center. Yes, as well as it should be present at the center.
Sir,
Yeah.
this is after stoichiometry, no?
No, basics. So starting with the basics.
Okay, sir.
Not stoichiometry. Next stoichiometry. Yes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So today onwards we will start the original schedule. Got it now? Don't miss it.
Yes,
Next
sir.
point.
Yes, sir.
Right, next point. every atom having nucleus as well as it should be present at center. I hope it is clear now. Hare, every atom made up of electrons, protons and neutrons now. Yes, protons and neutrons present in nucleus. That's why these are simply called as nucleons, or a protons and neutrons present in nucleus now. That's why these are simply called as nucleons. Yes or no? What I'm saying right now, nucleons. It's a very, very important. Nucleons. Yes, next point. Protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus. Hence, these are called nucleus. One more time. Protons and neutrons are present in nucleus. These are called nucleons. Protons. Every atom made up of electrons, protons and neutrons now. Protons and neutrons are present in nucleus. So they are called nucleons. But what about the electrons? Anybody? Electrons
Sir, electrons are that orbit outside the nucleus, right?
Yes,
They are in a certain orbit.
yes, already you know this information now. Yes. And electrons are revolved. Around the nucleus. But you know already this is the basic concept. But what I'm saying right now, except protium, every atom is made up of electrons, protons, and neutrons. Yes or no? First, listen. As well as every atom contains nucleus, as well as it should be present at a center. So, what about the electrons, protons, and neutrons? Neutrons and protons are present in the nucleus. So, these are called nucleons. Electrons are revolved around the nucleus. Be careful. Now, we will discuss one more concept. Listen. Some import side heading. Already had some important terms. Be careful, everyone. Some important terms associated with some important terms associated with atoms. Atoms, what are they? I will explain now. Some important terms associated with atoms. What are they? First one, it's very well. Yes, number one. Citing some important terms associated with atoms. Number one, first term. Atomic number. Yes, you know very well. Yes, atomic number. Which is indicated by anybody? Which is indicated by
Number of protons.
Z.
Yes.
Sir.
That is only capital Z. Yes. But first one, atomic number. Anybody? What is the correct definition?
Number of protons.
Protons inside the nucleus.
Is called atomic. It's the original definition. Otherwise, the number of electrons present in neutral atom. Suppose in case of neutral atom, they contain same number of electrons and protons. I hope it is clear now. So first I will give a definition now. Yes, definition. The number of protons present in nucleus. The number of protons present in nucleus is called atomic number. Right. Next point. And neutral atom contain, or a neutral atom, be careful. Neutral atom contain same number of protons and electrons. Neutral atom contain same number of electrons and protons. Same number of electrons and protons. Yes. Suppose a carbon is a given. Yes. What is the atomic number? The number of protons present in nucleus is called atomic number. How many protons present in carbon? 6. It is
Six.
atomic number. Or how many electrons are present in carbon? 6. Yes or no? Because it's a neutral atom, no? They contain same number of protons as well as the same number of electrons, but not ions. In case of neutral atom, they contain same number of protons as well as the same number of electrons. The number of protons is nothing but what happened now? Atomic number. The number of protons present in nucleus is called atomic number. Got it, Ra? You will take one example. Alright, got it, Ra, boys?
Yes, sir.
I will ask one more time. But a nitrogen is a given. But how many protons present in nucleus of the nitrogen?
Seven.
Nothing but what happened now? Atomic number. Yes or no? Number of electrons. Yes, it's a neutral atom.
Seven.
Neutral atom means
Seven,
number of
right.
electrons are the same or different? Same. Number of electrons also 7. But suppose I will take one more example. Or O2 minus is a given. It is not a neutral atom. Your number of protons, anybody? Number of protons. The number of protons is nothing but atomic number.
Eight.
Number of protons, how many? 8. Is nothing but that. Got it, boys?
Yes, sir.
Got it, boys?
Yes, sir.
The number of
Yes, sir.
electrons. It is not a
Ten.
neutral atom. It is a
Ten.
neutral atom. Is equal to number of electrons. Hey, in the previous case, what happened? What I'm saying right now. So in the previous case, it is a neutral now. It is neutral means number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Correct now? But in this case, not equals to number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Why it is ion? But minus, or one minus indicates gaining of the electron. They contain 2 minus, it gains 2 electrons. They contain 3 minus, it gains 3 electrons. Yes. Plus means loss of electron. Yes or no? But O2 minus, I want number of electrons. O2 atomic number 8 now? Yes. Minus 2. Yes, they contain minus 2. That means it gains 2 electrons. That's why you add. But suppose your minus 2 is there, you will add 2 electrons. How many electrons are there? So 10 electrons. Got it, Ra? But suppose F minus is a given. Be careful, everyone. Then after you will copy this one, F. But yes, F minus 1 means it gains 1 electron. Atomic number 9. Plus it gains 1 electron means you add 1 electron. Yes, that is a 10 electrons. But got it, everybody. Yes or no? Suppose Mg plus is a given. Mg2 plus. But Mg atomic number 12. Yes or no? I want number of electrons. Mg atomic number 12. Yes or no? But plus 2 means they can lose 2 electrons. They can lose 2 electrons means removal of 2 electrons from atomic number. You are getting how many electrons? 10 electrons. Got it, boys? But plus means loss of electrons. So minus means gaining of the electron. But N3 minus is a given. Anybody know? N3 minus. First of all, I want number of protons.
Number of protons.
Which is nothing but atomic number 7. Yes or no? But number of electrons, anybody? Yes. Atomic number less. The content minus 3. Minus 3 means it gains electrons are there 10 electrons. Or AL is a given atomic number. The number of electrons. Anybody. They contain plus 3 means it loss of 3 electrons. So removal of 3. Plus means removal of 3 electrons. Minus means you add 3 electrons. I hope it is clear now. So minus 3. You are getting 10 electrons. Everybody got it clarity now? Or everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Copy these examples. In case of neutral atoms, number of protons is equal to number of electrons. In case of ions, which depends upon the charge. But they contain plus means loss of electrons. Simply, so number of electrons removed from atomic number. Yes or no? They contain negative means it's a gaining of electrons. Simply add so number of electrons to the atomic number. Got it?
Yes.
Hey, come on, boys. Are you enjoyed?
Yes, sir.
Sir, how to find it is neutral atom, sir?
Neutral atom is without charge. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Come on, boys. Come on.
Yes.
Yes. Come on, Ra. This is the term number 1. What is the atomic number? It indicates the number of protons present in nucleus. Correct now?
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
Come on, Ra, boys. Come on, Ra. Shall I continue next one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, second term, right? Yes, mass number or atomic mass, both are same, right? Mass number or atomic mass, which is indicated by capital A. Mass number or atomic mass. Or anybody, what is the correct definition? Yes, atomic number, atomic mass or mass number. But listen,
Addition of protons plus
and neutrons present in nucleus. But a nucleus, suppose this is the atom. Nucleus contain protons plus neutrons. No? This sum of the protons plus neutrons is nothing but atomic number. Right, I will give a definition. The total number of protons and neutrons. The total number of yes, come on, boys. Total number of protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons present in nucleus. Is called mass number or atomic mass. Mass number or atomic mass. Yes or no? But yes, atomic mass is indicated by A. No? A is nothing but protons plus neutrons present in the nucleus. You will take this formula now. But A is nothing but what happened now? So mass number, yes or no? Or atomic mass. Mass number. I hope it is clear now. Mass number. Yes, so P. So what is the P? Number of protons. But got it, try everybody. Number of protons. N. Number of neutrons. Got it?
Yes.
But I want number of neutrons. How to calculate? Anybody? N is equal.
Number minus
What I'm saying right now, A minus P. But A means atomic mass number, atomic mass or mass number minus protons. Yes, number of protons is nothing but atomic number now. Yes, A minus. But yes or no? Since number of protons, be careful. Number of protons is nothing but atomic number. Correct now? Come on, boys.
Yes.
Yes.
But how to calculate number of number of neutrons? A minus Z. But A is nothing but atomic mass or mass number. Come on. Yes, A is nothing but mass number. Correct now? Mass number. Be careful. So Z is nothing. What is the Z? Come on, boys.
Atomic number.
Atomic number, sir.
Atomic
Number of protons.
Yes, is nothing but number of protons. I hope it is clear. Everyone got it clarity now.
Yes, sir.
But generally, elements are represented. Next point. Generally, elements are represented by this manner. Suppose X is one element. But atomic number should be represented in bottom. Mass number should be represented in top. Got it now? So this is the mass number. I hope it is clear now. Mass number. I hope it is clear. Everyone got it clarity. This is the atomic number. Got it? Right. Generally, elements are represented by this manner. Yes, atomic number. Everyone got it clarity. Yes?
Sir, generally.
Generally, element. X is an element. Generally, elements. Yes. Generally, elements are represented by this manner. X is an element. But a mass number should be represented at top. Yes, atomic number should be represented at the bottom with respect to element. Got it, boys?
Yes, sir.
Or suppose, I will take one example now. But suppose C612 is a given. Here, what is the A value? A value, come on, boys.
Mass number, sir.
12, sir.
Indicates what is the Z value? Come on.
6.
I want number of neutrons. A minus Z, no?
6.
A minus Z, no? A value 12. Z value 6. Number of neutrons is equal. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
NA 1123 is a given. Bro, what is the A value? Come on, boys. A value.
23.
23.
Half value in yes. So Z value, come on. Z value
11.
11. I want number of neutrons. Number of neutrons. A minus Z now. A minus Z is nothing but what happened now? How much you are getting?
12.
12, sir. 12.
Yes. A minus Z. So that is equals to 23 minus 11. 12. Everyone got it clarity now.
Yes, sir.
Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the second term. And the next third term. Or you will copy simultaneously. Hare, isotopes, you know very well. And isotopes. Hare, tops are different. Top means atomic masses are different. But what I'm saying right now, elements having same atomic number, but different in mass number. What I'm saying right now, I will take best example, H11. So H12, yes, and H13 is a given. But, yes, atoms. Wait now.
Deuterium.
Yes, H13. But what is this name? What is this name? H11 is a nothing but protium. Protium. Yes, we get
Deuterium.
deuterium. Yes. So deuterium. H13 means tritium. Tritium. Got it? Yes. But deuterium is indicated by D. Yes. Tritium is indicated by T. Yes. I hope it is clear. But look here. First we will discuss about the isotopes. But listen, what is the meaning of the character definition? Elements having the same atomic number. Or atomic Z value 1, 1, 1. Same atomic number. But different in which one? Mass number. Just check it now. So mass number here 1, here 2, here 3. A is a different. What I'm saying right now. So Z is the same. Yes. Z is the same. Yes, what I'm saying, elements having same atomic number but different in mass number. These are called, what happened now? Isotopes. That's why these are three. These three are simply called what I'm saying right now. Isotopes. Got it? The top means the tops are different. Top means what happened now? Atomic masses are different. Our mass numbers are different. I hope it is clear. I will give a definition first of all. Then after I will give a number of examples. Number of examples. Come on, boys. First one. And elements having same atomic number. Elements having same atomic number. Elements having same atomic number, but different in mass number. But different in mass number. But different in mass number. But different in mass number is called isotopes. Are you ready? Are you able to follow? Come on, boys. Are you able to follow? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A, atomic A is a different. Z is the same. Z is the same. A is a different. Means what I'm saying right now. These are simply called as isotopes. You will take example. First example, you will take this one. Yes. Protium, deuterium, tritium. But tritium is a radioactive element. You know, radioactive elements. RAE means radioactive element. Radioactive element is nothing but what happened? Man-made element. Come on, boys. Come on, for a second example, you will give any other example? See, carbon 612. Yes. Yes or no? Next one, carbon C613. Yes or no? So, right. Both are dash. Atomic masses are different. But got it, Ra? Yes. So, that's a, both are dash. Isotopes. So, same atoms having different mass number. Got it now? Yes. You will give third example. Any other example? Oxygen. Oxygen. Yes, third example. Oxygen.
What are the names?
Oxygen now 815.
Sir.
15 also possible now? Yes. 815. 815. Oxygen. 815. Next one. Oxygen. 816. Atomic number is the same, but different in mass number now. It is a 15. It is
What are
16.
the names?
Oxygen.
Sir, name of that
Isotopes.
like
No names. Isotopes only. Both are isotopes. Got it?
Special name, sir. Special name.
No, there is no special name. Isotopes. Suppose chlorine 1735. Yes.
Hydrogen has, sir.
No.
Hydrogen has
No names.
different-
Only hydrogen having 3 names. Okay? Chlorine 35.
Call for that protium.
Yes. Chlorine 37. Or what is the difference in between them? What is the difference? Mass number. Here 35.
number, sir.
Yes. All are gas. Isotopes. There is no special names. Only hydrogen having 3 special names.
Isotopes.
Isotopes. But everyone got it clarity? Come on, boys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one doubt, sir. What we call for that?
What is that?
Sir, for hydrogen, protium, deuterium, like that we call him, sir. 1, 2, 3 number.
I can't understand your question. H11 means protium. That's name. Common name. H12 means deuterium. H13 means tritium. Tritium is RAE means radioactive element. Okay. Okay, I will ask one more question. Wait now. But I will ask one more question. It's a very important point. But what are the isotopes? Same elements with the different atomic masses. These are simply called as isotopes. But what are the physical and chemical properties? But all elements are same. As hydrogen, 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 oxygen, oxygen, carbon, carbon, chlorine, chlorine. All atoms are same now. So their chemical property is the same. What about the physical property? Physical properties means what happened now? So density, best example. Mass number is different means definitely density is different now. Yes or no? But what I'm saying right now, isotopes having same chemical properties, but their physical properties are different. Their physical properties are different. Due to mass number is different now. I hope it is clear. But a physical property is support, you will take any property. Support density. Density is nothing but mass by volume now. Density is yes, mass is a different. Definitely density should be different now. I hope it is clear now.
No, sir, no. Please repeat it again.
Yeah. One more time. Right. They can exhibit different physical properties. They can exhibit same chemical properties, but different physical properties. They can exhibit same chemical properties. Array, same chemical properties. They can exhibit same chemical properties, but different physical properties. Yes, physical properties are different. But they can exhibit same chemical property, but their physical properties are different. Otherwise, but their physical properties are different. But I got it wrong.
Good, sir. Yes.
They can exhibit same chemical properties, but yes, Ray, they can exhibit same. Ray, listen, mute yourself, everyone. They can exhibit same chemical properties, but their physical properties are different. But they are asking some problems based on isotopes. First problem, what I'm saying right now. Listen, be careful. Listen. Yes, first one I will explain one more time. Isotopes means mass numbers are different, atomic numbers are same. Yes or no? Be careful. But their chemical properties are same because all elements are same now. But their physical properties are different because mass is different now. Suppose you will take a density. Density is different now. But next point is a valuable point. Then after I will give a
Sir,
problem.
excuse me.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt that carbon 14 isotope is it there? Is it possible?
Carbon 14, no. So very common.
Why, sir? What's the reason?
They cannot exist. It is unstable.
Reason, sir. Reason.
Unstable.
How can we say that?
Unstable.
Like chlorine
Unstable.
is 35, sir.
I will explain. I will come to the point. Wait. Next one.
Okay, fine.
All isotopes of complete. Ray, somebody disturbing. Who is that fellow? Yes. Next point. All isotopes of an element. So do not exist same abundance in the universe. Suppose I will take one more example.
Sir, please write it.
Wait now.
Write
First,
it,
I will give statement. All isotopes of an atom, an element, all isotopes of an element does not exist.
Of an atom, no.
All isotopes of an element an element do not exist same abundance abundance. Abundance is nothing but what happened now? Yes, abundance is nothing but percentage.
ఇప్పుడు పడ్డాయి కదా రేపు చెప్తాడు
Ray,
ఇద్దరు చేయమంటే ఇద్దరు పాస్వర్డ్
Ray. Got it now? All isotopes of an element do not exist same abundance in the universe. Example, suppose protium H11, but they can exist in the universe 99.98%. 99.98%. Got it now? 99.98%. Yes. Yes. Next one. Suppose you will take a deuterium H12. They can exist 0.02%. But yes or no? But all isotopes having same abundance? No. Same percentage in the universe? No. Suppose a tritium. Tritium, what is the formula? H13. They can exist in the one part. But out of 10 power 17 parts of hydrogen, they can exist only one part. Yes, one part hydrogen. One part. One part out of 10 power 17 parts of hydrogen. Parts of hydrogen. Got it? But their abundance is the same or different? Different.
Yes, sir.
All isotopes of an element do not exist the same abundance in the universe. Got it now? Yeah. Now I will give some-
Isotopes. First definition, all isotopes.
all isotopes of an element do not exist same abundance in the universe. Same abundance in the universe. Got it?
Yes, sir.
But they're asking some problems now. First problem. Yes, and problem number 1. Yes, and number 1, problem number 1. First problem number. Yes, I will go simple logic now. For a chlorine, 1735. Its abundance is a given. 75% is a given. But be careful, everyone. First problem. Chlorine, 1737. 17 and 37. Be careful. 17 and 37. But yes, its abundance is 17 and 37. So 25% is a given. 25% is a given. Yes. Got it now? Yes. Then find its average molecular weight. And then find its average molecular weight. Then find its average molecular weight. Then find its average molecular weight. Average atomic weight or average atomic weight, you will take this. Average atomic weight. But what is the given now? But a chlorine 1735, abundance 75% is a given. Chlorine 37, 25% is a given. Then find average atomic weight. But how to calculate average atomic weight now? Yes, I will give a simple logic now. Average atomic weight. Be careful. Not working marker. Yes, average atomic weight. Average atomic weight is equal to abundance into atomic mass. Well, 75, it's abundance. Into atomic weight of chlorine, yes, 35. Plus, so yes, abundance 25 of 37 is divided
by 2.
So listen, total abundance 75 plus 25. Got it,
Sir, one
boys?
second.
How much you are getting? How much you are getting?
35.5.
35.5.
35.5.
Yes, sir.
Average atomic weight of chlorine. Got it now? Average atomic weight of chlorine. Chlorine 35. Chlorine 37. Abundance is a given. But simply atomic mass multiplied with the abundance. You will take average now. Yes, you are getting average atomic weight. Got it, boys?
Sir, so
Yes,
what will
sir.
be the unit?
But yes, but you are getting fractions from. But why atomic weight is a fractional? They are asking due to presence of isotopes. So isotopes with a different percentage of abundance, no? Yes or no? That's why you are getting fraction. I will give a note point. An important note point. It's a question basically. Important note point. Yes. An important note. An atomic weight is a fractional. What is the reason? Atomic weight is a fractional. So due to presence of isotopes. Yes. But why you are getting fractional? Due to presence of isotopes with a different percentage of abundance. With a different percentage of abundance. One more time. They are asking atomic weight is a fractional due to dash. So due to presence of isotopes with a different percentage of abundance. Yes or no? Suppose same percentage of abundance means you are not getting fractions. Got it now? So listen,
Sir,
atomic weight is a fractional due to presence of isotopes with different percentage of abundance. I will give second problem now. Problem number 2.
So there will be no unit, no?
No unit.
Sir, if isotope,
Listen, atomic weight is a fractional due to the presence of isotopes with different percentage of abundance. With a different percentage of abundance. Got it, boys?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes, I will give one more problem. Ready. X40, comma, X is the element. X44 is a given. X44. Yes. X40, X44. The atomic weights of X is the average atomic weight. The atomic weight means average atomic weight. The atomic weight of X is 43. The atomic weight of X is 43. What is the percentage of each? What is the percentage of each? What is the percentage of each? Anybody? Array X40, X44 is a given. The atomic weight of X is 43. Means the average atomic weight 43 is a given. What is the percentage of each? Anybody? What is the answer? Yes. Suppose X40 is a given. Other one is X44 is a given. But the abundance is not given now. Suppose it is X. You will take a X. It is 100 minus X. Yes or no? Now, what is the formula? Yes, average atomic weight is equals to. Alright, got it now? Average atomic weight is equals to. What is the formula? Come on, boys. Average atomic weight is equals to.
40 of
Abundance is X into 40 plus. So 100 minus X into 44 is divided by X plus 100 minus X. X get cancelled. But atomic weight also given. How much is given? 43. Substituted here.
Sir, one is 25, other is 75.
2.27% and 97.73%.
Yes. How much, Ram? It is a
25 and
40 is
75.
given. Yes. So 40x plus minus x plus x get cancelled now. Plus 100 minus x into 44 is divided by 100. You will calculate x. X is anything but 40. X 40. I want x value.
25%.
Sir, 75 and 25.
X
25.
Sir, 25 cents.
25, sir. X is 25.
Very x is at
X
25. 25%. Yes. X is nothing but here. X is nothing but what happened now? X 40.
abundance for the
Yes.
of X.
I want y. Y means 100 minus x. 100 minus x 100.
75.
100 minus 25. How much?
75.
75. Got it, Ra? 100 minus. Yes. Not one. 100 minus 25. 75. Y is equals to 75. But here y is nothing but what happened? X 44. Alright, got it, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to follow? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we are able.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Next problem you will try now.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Suppose same and the third problem. For Fe 56 is a given. Fe 56 percentage 90 is a given. 90%. But Fe 58 is a given. 5%. Yes or no? Fe 55 is a given. Be careful. 5% is a given. Abundance 5% here. Fe 55 5% abundance. Fe 58 5%. Fe 56 90%. Then find average atomic weight. Average atomic weight. Anybody? Average atomic weight is equal to, yes. Ray, mute yourself. Who is that fellow? Yes. What happened now? Come on, the boys. 50, 60 into 90. Correct now? Plus 58 into 5. Plus 55 into 5. Plus a total 100% now. Yes. Come on, the boys. How much you are getting this one? Yes. Come on. Yes. How much now?
5595 by 100.
56.05,
90
sir.
plus. How much?
56.05.
50. Very nice. 56.05. 90 plus 5 plus 5. Yeah. How much you are getting now? 56.05. It is the average atomic weight of iron. Alright, got it, boys?
Yes, sir.
One more question. This is a previous IIT question. You will try now. And neon has two isotopes. Next question. Neon has two isotopes. Neon has two isotopes. Neon 20, neon 22. Neon 20, neon 22. Yes. Neon 20, neon 22. Neon 20, neon 22. Atomic weight of neon is 20.2%. 20.2%. Find the abundance of each and every element. Find the abundance. Find the abundance of each and every element. Find the abundance of
Weight is percent.
first one. Be careful. Neon has wait now. Neon is wait now. Neon has two isotopes, Na20, Na22. Atomic weight of neon is 20.2%. Abundance
90,10.
percentage. Ray, abundance is nothing but you will express in terms of percentage. Abundance of each. What is the abundance of each?
90-10. 90-10.
Very good, excellent. Neon 20 is a given. Neon 22 is a given. This abundance is not given. You will take X. It is 100 minus X. Abundance means you must be expressed in terms of percentage. Yes, average atomic weight. Average atomic weight. Come on, boys. So, yes, abundance into, yes, atomic weight. It's
20
what happens?
into X.
20 plus 100 minus X into, what happened? Come on, boys.
22.
Is divided by, so X plus 100 minus X. Yes or no? X. But this value also given. How much is it given? Average atomic weight. Come on, boys.
20.2.
Yeah, you will calculate X value. X value. Come on, boys.
90. X value.
Yes. X means first one is a 90. X is nothing but X 20, 90%. X, come on, X 22. How much?
10%.
100 minus, yes, X is nothing but 100 minus 10%, 90%. You are getting 10%. Yes, X 22. Got it now? Got it?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the need of atomic weight of neon, sir, in this question?
What is the
Need of atomic weight of neon, sir, they're 20.2%.
What is the required? He given, no? Otherwise we can't calculate X value.
We equate that to this
Given is a
only.
given. Not given means how to calculate X value. Got it, huh?
Okay.
Next one. Yes. Or I will give one more problem. Alright, one more problem now. Yes, be careful, everyone. Or x3 plus fifth problem, I think. But x3 plus ion is a given. X3 plus has mass number. X3 plus has a mass number. Has mass number. Be careful, everyone. Right. Question. X3 plus has a mass number. X3 plus has a mass number 27. Has a mass number, yes, 27 is a given. X3 plus mass number 27 is a given. And has 10 electrons in it. And 10 electrons in it. And 10 electrons in it. What is the number of neutrons present in X3 plus?
14.
Very nice. What is the
14, sir.
What is the number of
X is
electrons present in X3 plus? First I will explain now. Wait, X3 plus mass number is a given 27. Electrons is a given. X3 plus, be careful. This is the X3 plus content, 10 electrons is a given. Yes, sir. Be careful, everyone. Yes. Then find number of neutrons. For number of neutrons formula A minus Z now. A minus Z. But A value already given. How much is a given? So 27 is a given. But I want Z. Yes, be careful. Here, for a X3 plus ion is a given. But how to get X3 plus? X is converted into X3 plus. It loss of 3 electrons. Got it now? They can lose 3 electrons. You are getting, yes, X3 plus. But if the X3 plus contain 10 electrons is a given. Means X contain how many electrons? Yes, 13 electrons. No? Got it? Yes or no? X is equal to 13 electrons. Array. X means neutral atom contain 13 electrons. Means they contain how many protons? The neutral atom contains same number of electrons as well as the same number of protons. Got it now? Protons is nothing but atomic number. You know Z value. Yes, substituted here. Now I want number of neutrons. N is equals to A minus Z. A minus Z. A value how much? 27 is a given.
7.
Value 13 is a given. How much you are getting? 14.
14.
Got it? Got it, up, boys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Array, got it, up?
Explain again, sir. Sir, we have to find what, sir?
Number of neutrons.
Okay.
Sir, explain again, sir.
Array, our question is a very important now. X3 plus ion has mass number 27 is a given. Means A value is a given. And it has 10 electrons. They contain 10 electrons, X3 plus. Yes or no? Then find its number of neutrons. No? Yes. Hurry, X is a converter. How to get X3 plus? X is a converter into X3 plus 3 minus. No? But X3 plus contain already given 10 electrons. Means, but yes, after losing 3 electrons, it contains 10 electrons. Means how many electrons? Yes, X contains 13 electrons. No? Yes, in case X is a neutral atom. They contain 13 electrons. Neutral atom contains same number of electrons as well as the same number of protons. No? Number of protons is equal to 13. Number of protons is nothing but atomic number. No? So Z is equal to 13. Substituted here. I want number of neutrons A minus Z. No? A value 27. Z value 13. You are getting 14. Got it? Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next one. But among these all elements, but which has the highest number of isotopes? It's a very important question. Tin is symbol. What is the symbol of tin? Yes, and stannum. Yes, sir. Next point. Tin has more number of isotopes even when compared to other any elements. And tin has more number of isotopes. More number of isotopes. More number of isotopes.
What is written here? Tin. SN.
Yes, and stannum.
Stannum.
Yes or no? Yes. Latin name stannum. Yes, stannum. English name tin.
Tin.
Yes or no? Yes, but which elements having more number of isotopes? They are asking. Yes, NU, Ag plus, Pb2 plus. So they are asking this type, Zn2 plus. What is the answer? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one, I think, listen. So third term completed and fourth term. Fourth now? Right. Isobars, reverse. Isobars. And isobars means what happened now?
Mass equals same mass number, different atomic.
Yes, right. Next definition. Atoms with the same mass number with a different atomic number. Atoms with the same mass number. Atom with the same mass number and a different atomic number. And a different atomic number. You will give some examples. Anybody? Anybody now? Or a nitrogen. But a 15. Yes, be careful. Oxygen 15. But what is the atomic number of nitrogen? 7. What is the atomic number of oxygen? 18. Yes, 8. Yes or no? What is the atomic number of oxygen? 8. Yes or no? But the atomic numbers are different. But mass numbers are same now. These are
Argon and calcium.
Yes, sir. Argon and calcium.
Argon and calcium.
Yes, very good, very good. Great. And side heading isobars. First, I will give a definition already given. Atoms with the same mass number and a different atomic number are called isobars. Example. Example. You will take first example. Any other example? Argon. Yes, somebody given good example. Argon. So potassium. Yes. Next one, calcium. Argon atomic number 18, potassium atomic number 19, calcium atomic number 20, but mass numbers are same, 40, 40 and 40. So that's why these are simply called as isobars. But isotopes means tops are different. Isobars means bottoms are different. Bottoms means atomic numbers are different. Got it? Got it, boys?
Yes, sir.
And third one. Third example is hydrogen. Yes, H13. Yes or no? Helium. So 2, 3. Yes, got it now? Yes, mass numbers are same, but atomic numbers are different. Any other example? Carbon. Yes. Yes, carbon. But 14 also possible, but unstable. Yes, you will take. Yes, carbon. C614 you will take. Yes, nitrogen. Yes, what happened now? Nitrogen. So 714. Yes, nitrogen 714. Got it up, boys?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
These are simply called as isobars. Isobars means what happened now? Atoms with the same mass number but different atomic number. But listen, physical and chemical properties. Anybody? But all are different atoms.
But same chemical property different.
No. Both
Different
physical
Different chemical properties.
Next point, right? Their physical and chemical properties are different. It's a very important point. Their physical and chemical properties are different. Their physical and chemical properties are different. Their physical and chemical properties are different. Got it, boys? Next one. And the fifth term. Isotones. For anybody, what is the meaning of the isotones? Anybody? Yes. Listen, elements of different atoms having same number of neutrons. And first one. But yes, different atoms with the same number of neutrons. Simply, right? Different atoms with the same number of neutrons. With the same number of neutrons. Same number of neutrons. N means neutrons. But how to calculate the neutrons? Anybody? Neutron
Atomic
number.
mass minus atomic number.
I will give example. Different atoms with same number of neutrons. Or example.
Sir, isotope.
Yeah. Example. For N1715 is a given. Yes. Oxygen 1816 is a given. But these are isotopes. Topes, it means yes, tops are different. Yes, bottoms are different. That's why these are not isotopes. these are not a isobars. Yes or no? Just check it. Number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z value. Yes, A minus
isotone.
15 minus 7. How many? You are getting 8. 16 minus 8. How many? 8. Number of neutrons also same. That's why these are fully called as isotones. Got it, boys? Are got it?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
I will do one more example. You will try now. Yes. Phosphorus. Phosphorus and sulfur. I will take this one. Its atomic mass 31 and 32. 15. Atomic number 16. Yes. Both are dash. Both are not isotopes. Yes or no? Yes. Come on. Number of neutrons. A minus Z value. Come on, boys.
21 minus 16.
1 minus 15.
16, sir.
16. Here 16 minus 32 minus 16.
16.
16. How many? 16. Number of neutrons same. That's why these are simply called as isotones. Any other example? Yes, I will give one more example. Yes. Yes, tritium. Very good. Tritium and helium. Yes, it's the best example. Number of neutrons. Yes, number of neutrons. So 3 minus 1. Here 4 minus 2 and 2. Number of neutrons same or different? Same.
2, sir.
Aditra, you will take any other example.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, isobars have physical and chemical property are different.
Both are different.
Both are okay.
Because elements are different, no?
Sir, yes.
Different elements having different physical and chemical properties.
Yes, sir.
Completed, boys?
Isotones.
Yes, sir.
Isotones also different. Anywhere different elements with their physical and chemical properties are different.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Without knowing how many neutrons.
Where, no?
Sir, how to calculate mass number without knowing number of neutrons?
So you can't calculate.
You can't lose.
Okay? They will provide mass number. Yes. Next one. Isodiaphers. I think sixth term. Isodiaphers. ISO. You know isodiaphers means anybody?
Spellings.
DIAPHERS. Isodiaphers. Be careful. There are different atoms having same isotopic number. Sir, what is the meaning of the isotopic number? Right, next point. And different atoms, very important, indicate by 5 stars. Like different atoms having same isotopic number. Same isotopic number. Underline this word. Sir, what is the meaning of the isotopic number? But isotopic number is nothing but n minus p value or a minus 2z value. Yes, side heading isotopic number. Isotopic number. Sir, how to calculate? Right. Now, the difference between number of number of neutrons and protons. Isotopic number is equals to n minus p or a minus 2z. A means what happened? Atomic mass. Minus 2 into z. Z means atomic number.
Difference between
Side heading isotopic number. Well, did you understand? Isodiaphers means what happened now? Different atoms having same isotopic number. Sir, how to calculate isotopic number? N minus p value is nothing but isotopic number. Or a minus 2z value is nothing but isotopic number. Both are same. In both cases, you are getting same result. But isotopic number is nothing but n minus p or a minus 2z value. N minus p or a minus 2z value.
difference between
number of neutrons and protons. Simply isotopic number is nothing but n minus p